Hello students, welcome to this second part of Basic Python series. I have 5 questions. Question number 1. Write a Python program which accepts the radius of a circle from the user and compute the area. Formula of area of circle is pi r square. Write a Python program to print the calendar of a given month and year with calendar module. 3. Write a Python program to get the volume of a sphere with radius 6. The volume is calculated as 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4. Write a Python program to compute the greatest common divisor GCD of two positive integers. 5. Write a Python program to get the least common multiple LCM of two positive integers. So let's get started. Open your text editor, make a new file, save where you want. For calculating the area of circle, we need to import pi from math. So radius r equals to, your input may be int or float, so we can write float input the radius of the circle now print the output. Save it and run. Enter the radius. So the area of circle with radius 4 is 50.26 and so on. So we finished the first question. Let's get started with second question. Write a Python program to print the calendar of a given month and year with using calendar module. So we can write, let's comment out first. To get month and year, we need to import calendar. Now you need to input year equals to int input the year. Also you need to input month. Input the month. So print the output. Calendar dot month year comma month. Save it and run. Input your year, input month, This is your calendar of February 2020. So we complete second question. Let's get started with third question. Write a Python program to get the volume of sphere with radius 6. Volume equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So comment out second. We initialize value of pi 3.14, radius r equals to 6. So volume b equals to 4 by 3 into pi into r power 3. So print the output. The volume of sphere of radius 6 is V. Save it and run. So the volume of sphere of radius 6 is 904.31 and so on. So we complete third question. Let's get start question number 4. Greatest common divisor GCD of two positive integers. So comment third. Starts with GCD function. Define GCD of two integers x and y. Initialize GCD a equals to 1. Now if x remainder y equals to 0, then return y. So we start looping. For k in range int of y divided by 2, 0, -1, if x remainder k equals to 0 and y remainder k equals to 0, then GCD equals to k. And break it. Now return GCD. So print the output. GCD of 12 and 17 is. Run it. It is 1. Let's check another. GCD of 4 and 6 is 2. So that's right. So we complete fourth question. Let's finish question number 5. List common multiple of two positive integers. So define LCM of x and y, two positive integers. If x is greater than y, then z equals to x, else z equals to y, while condition is true if z remainder x equals to 0 and z remainder y equals to 0. LCM is z. Break it and increase the z and then return LCM. So let's print out, check the result. LCM of 4 and 6. Save it and run. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Let's check another. LCM of 15 and 17 is 255. So we finished all 5 questions.